Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I'm saying hi to all my paper doll loving peeps, and there's a lot of people in my Facebook paper dolls group. There's a separate group for the Julie Nutting project, but I have another Facebook group that's just everything paper dolls. And a lot of the people, I'm showing some paper dolls that I've been making, and a lot of people are asking me, is there a video on this, or how did you make it? So I thought I'd just do a quick, this is just a quickie 5-minute, just to explain how I made this cute girl. So this was a paper doll kit, and I don't know the name of the original creator who created the kit. It was from 2018, so quite some time ago, 6 years ago, and the kit was called Louis Vuitton Fashion. So I didn't use the fashion. They were the fold tab type of clothes that you cut out for a paper doll, and you can wrap the tabs around the girl. I didn't use the clothes, and I didn't use her head. I used my own head from my Face-Ups kit. So I just used pieces and used the body. I did like the shoes, and let me show you that. What I did to create those cute little laces on the shoes is I used my paper piercer. I pierced the little holes where the lacings would go, and I just use a needle and black thread. So I just lace up the shoes to make them look real, and then I make a little bow and then glue that on, and you end up with really cute little laced shoes. There's an idea. This is just to inspire you and give you some paper doll ideas, because I know that's what everybody's looking for. The dress, what I did for the dress, that was super fun. That was just a jelly print. So it was actually a circle jelly pad that was in the shape of a circle, and it was on a piece of paper. And then these little prints down here were just like leftover things you use when you clean off your jelly plate. And what I did was, instead of this, you can kind of see where this was a circle, I added it and created a dress out of it. I tore the bottom of it, and then this part of it, this was just regular printer paper. I folded it back and forth, and then made her cute little jelly print dress. So the necklace, I drew the chain with a black Tombow Mono pen. The gems are just nail art gems that you could get anywhere at a Walmart or maybe even a dollar store. To do acrylic nails, you put on those cute little gems. Well, I use them for paper dolls because I just love them. Look at the bracelet and the little necklace with little nail gems, and they stick on. The brads, these are not micro mini brads. People have asked questions about that recently. These are just mini brads in a tan color. So I'm just kind of using those up. And then I cut a piece of the jelly print and covered up the original hairpiece. Here's the original hairpiece in my Face-Ups. I covered it up and made it match her dress. So just wanted to show you that that's another fun thing that you can do. Here's my Face-Up sheet. So there's all these cute faces, and you can add them to different bodies. So this one I added to a paper doll kit body with the movable arms. And you can add them to magazine images and make your own clothing out of things like jelly prints or coffee filters or all kinds of things. And then I added my cute Face-Up girl's face on it. So I used some colored pencil to bump up the color in her cheeks and her lips, and gave her purple eyeshadow with colored pencil so it'd match her purple dress. So they're really versatile. You can really have a lot of fun with them. So I hope this gives you some neat and interesting ideas of things to do with creating paper dolls for your books. Join the Facebook group if you're interested in showing your stuff or getting some inspiration from other people on the paper dolls and what they're making. I've made about 7 paper dolls this week, and they're all posted in there. No videos on them, just directions or ideas on what I did on them with beaded necklaces and things and laces and all kinds of stuff. So you can get a lot of inspiration from that group. So feel free to join the group. There will be a link in the description box below for this set of Face-Ups if you're interested in playing. There's 5 different sets of Face-Books in the Etsy store, in the Etsy shop. So lots of different faces to play with to create your paper dolls if you're interested. So have fun. and go make some paper doll art, because art soothes the heart. And thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you guys.